Hello students, now we are going to perform another activity of class 12th, that is to study water holding capacities of two different soil samples A and B. Materials required for this experiment are weighing machine to measure the soil samples A and B, water, beaker, measuring cylinders, funnel, filter papers. To measure the soil samples, first of all, switch on the weighing machine. Take one filter paper. Put this filter paper on the machine. Tear it. Now, take soil sample A. Measure it 50 grams. Take soil sample B, again measure it. Make it 50 grams. Okay, this is soil sample B. Now we have measured both the soil samples. Take one filter paper, make a cone like this. This will act as a sieving plate. Put this cone in the funnel. Now put sample A in this funnel. Now put soil sample B in this funnel. Take 50 ml water and pour in sample A slowly. Now again take 50 ml of water and pour in soil sample B. Note down the time. For the observations, we have to wait for 15 minutes. Let's see the observations after 15 minutes. See, here in soil sample A, less water has percolated in the measuring cylinder. It's only 20 ml. But in soil sample B, 27 ml of water has come in the measuring cylinder. It clearly shows that water sample A has more water holding capacity and less water has percolated through it. And soil sample B has less water holding capacity. Soil sample A is clay soil while soil sample B is the sandy soil. Thank you.